afternoon, guys. This video I'm going to explain you about reported speech. So reported speech is used to convey what someone else said, but in your own words, in order to tell someone else. Instead of directly quoting the original speaker, you refresh their words, often changing the verb tenses and pronouns. So why is reported speech important? Reported speech is crucial for effective communication, especially when conveying information from other sources. It helps us avoid confusion and ensure accurate transmission of information by providing context and clarity. Reporting statements. Reported speech is a way to tell someone what someone else said. This is called indirect speech, and it is used to express the content of a statement without directly quoting it. Reporting statements, present tense. So in this slide, it has direct speech and reported speech. In direct speech, the speaker uses the present tense in direct speech. For example, I am learning about reported speech. In reported speech, the reported speech uses the past tense. For example, she said that she was learning about reported speech. Reporting statements, past tense. Verb tense shifts. The verb tense shifts one step back in time. If the original statement was in the present tense, it becomes past tense. Time words. Use time words like yesterday, last week, a few days ago to clarify the past event. For example, original, I am going to the store. In reported speech, she said she was going to the store. Reporting future tense. In the reporting future tense, we change the tense. When reporting the future tense statement, change the tense to the conditional future tense. Use would and the infinitive of the verb. Change time expressions. Adjust time expression when reporting about the future. For example, tomorrow becomes the next day, and next weekend or next week becomes the following week. In the original speech, it said, I will go to the store tomorrow. In the reported speech, she said that she would go to the store the next day. In reporting question involves changing the statement or the structure and tense of the direct question to convey the meaning in a direct way. Reporting yes/no question. Yes/no question are those that can be answered with a simple yes or no. When reporting yes/no question, you use if followed by the statement form of the question. For example, did you go to the store? She asked if I had gone to the store. Tense. The tense of the verb in the reported question matches the tense of the original question. Reporting WA questions. Word order. WA questions are reported using the the question word of a statement, not a question. In question word who, the question word who, what, where, why, etc. comes first, followed by subject, verb, object. Tense changes. the tense of the verb in the reported